Postis is not just a social media scheduling tool. This is a tool that will allow you to post much faster, get a lot more engagement, and really grow your following in every social media platform in the world. Now I'm going to show you some tricks on how you can grow much faster with Postis. Let's create a new post in Postis. Click on Create Post, select all the channels from the top menu, and then write your first post. Now let's add a comment to that first post. We can delay the comment by 1 hour if we want. And then we can just add another comment with no delay at all. Here you can see how many characters you've used in each one of the platforms, because each platform has a different restrictions for characters. Now I've clicked on Facebook. I can edit the content specifically for Facebook. For example, here is just an additional text that I add to Facebook. If I go to the main global edit, you can see the content is different. I can click on Instagram, edit the comment here, and here actually, because it's Instagram, I probably want to add. So I'll click the Insert Media and select the picture. As you can see, here is a different preview only for Instagram, and our global content is different from Instagram. Now for LinkedIn, I want to also edit it, but tag a company. This is a tagging specifically for LinkedIn. And then I will add it to my calendar. As you can see, I have all the posts scheduled, and I can just move them around my timeline to post them in different dates. Now let's go to settings, and this is something cool. I click on sets and add a new set. Sets allow you to create a pre-configured message for some of your socials. So here I selected X, LinkedIn, and Blue Sky. And I just add like an initial text. It's not a must. On X, I can go to the Building on Public community. I can copy the URL and put it there. So I will save the set, I'll call it personal, and now every time I use this set, it will post to this community. So let's schedule a new post, select the set, and you can see everything is already pre-configured, and you can see it's already scheduled to post for this specific community. Once you have scheduled all the posts, you can see the analytics in the Analytics tab. Now let's go to plugs. This is a really cool concept. I can create an auto repost post. So for example, when my Blue Sky post get to 10 likes, it will repost the existing post to get more engagement. And this is something similar that if I get to 20 likes, it will send another comment, for example, register to my newsletter. And if somebody comment before, now they'll get a notification to register to my newsletter. This is the Postiz agent. This is a way for you to talk to a chat to schedule one post or multiple posts for many social medias at the same time. This is an example where I schedule my post to LinkedIn using the chat. I just asked to create a post about the importance of social media, and I've selected LinkedIn from the menu. Now I'll just send it to my chat. The chat will ask me back for a few different questions, but I just decided to go and say, go ahead and schedule this, but you can customize it any way you want. Then when you go to your calendar, you'll find that post over there. Here is an example on how I schedule a social media update to my LinkedIn. So I just write a simple post about a company update, and I will also add a comment over here. The comment later will be automatically short link for statistics, so hang in there. Now I click on LinkedIn and I go to my settings. As you can see, I can select my social media company and comment on this post automatically after this post is being posted. So let's post it now and check it out. Let's short link the postis.com link. I'll go to my social media and click on the posted post. You can see two comments. One of them is the short linked, and the other one is my company page answering. And if I go back to Postiz, I can see now my statistic for my short linked post, and we can see that we have 1 click. We can also see the short link and the original link. So now you've tasted a little bit of Postiz, and we have so many other stuff that you can do with the platform. I hope you'll subscribe and try our tool, and I promise you, this is going to be the best decision you're going to do in 2026.